Namaste. I'm Rajan Sarumagar, your English teachers. I hope you all are ready with your copy and the pen so that you can note down if necessary. Today we have very good content and it is noun. So first of all of you look around inside your room, inside your house, and outside of your house. Whatever you see, these all are noun. And even whatever you feel, these all are noun. Here, today we will discuss what noun is and what types of nouns are. So let's begin. The first noun is the name of, you can see this side, noun is name of person, place, thing, and animal. See this definition, this is simple definition. Noun is name of person, place, thing, and animal. So let's clear this with lots of example. See the persons. Person means we human being. Place, you can see the place. Thing, animal. So let's have example. Noun is the name of person, and you can see the names here: Anmol, Rajesh, Rekha. These are example. Next, noun is the name of place. In the picture also you can see this is the one picture of the Patan, the square. So example, Patan, Kathmandu, Rampur. So these are example of place. Thing, pencil, chair, bag, especially non-living thing. This is, one of the thing, the name of thing. So these are the non-living things. You can see the pencil, chair, and a bag. Another point is animal. Animal, noun is a name of animal too. So you can see cow, sparrow, buffalo. These are example of animal. So this is a simple definition what noun is. So let me brief it. Noun is a name of person, you can see this slide, this side, person, place, thing, and animal. Now we will discuss the types of noun. Types of noun, you can see this side. We have the eight types of noun. First is a proper, common, countable, uncountable, concrete, abstract, compound, and collective nouns. We have the 8 types of noun. Here we will discuss what comes under these 8 types of noun. And we will also know that what is the difference between common and proper, countable and uncountable, concrete and abstract, and compound and collective. So let's start first of all with common and proper noun. Common and proper noun. See, you can see here. So first of all, what is proper noun? And what is common noun? Now you can see the example. Proper noun is a name of a specific or individual people, place, thing, or animal. See the example. And another is common noun is a name of generic, name of people, place, thing, or animal. Now let's learn with the example. We will learn here what is the difference between proper and the common nouns. See, Akas. Akas is a student. Example, Akas, you can see the Akas. Akas is a student. Next is Susma. Susma is a student. Akash is a student and Susma also is a student. So you can see what are different and what is common. So here is names Akash and Susma. These two names are different. So Akash and Susma, these are proper noun. And what is common here? You can guess. There is one common noun and that is a student. So a student is common noun. Under student, what comes? Susma comes and Akash comes. So Akash and Susma, they are different names, but what is common? There is a common, that is Susma. So that is a student. So a student is common noun and Akash and Susma, they are proper noun. Next example, Nepal. You can see the Nepal. What is Nepal? Nepal is country. Remember, Nepal is a country. China. China is a country. So China and Nepal, these two are proper noun. And what is common here? The common noun is, you can see this side, country. Country is a common noun. So this is. Let's have more example. You can see the two dogs here. Two dogs are here. One is in white color and another is in brown color. This white color dog's name is Max and brown colored dog's name is Lola. So names are different, but what is common? They are dog. So dog is common noun and Max and Lola, they are proper noun. Next example, you can see this picture. We can see that she is a nurse. She is nurse. But what is her name? Her name is Alexa. Alexa is a nurse. You can see. And next, and also she is also nurse. The last photo I have shown you. This photo, she is also nurse, and her name is Tina. Alexa and Tina are nurse. Alexa and Tina are nurse. Here one name is common, that is nurse, and here Alexa and Tina, they are different and they are proper noun. So Alexa and Tina, they are proper noun, but nurse is common noun. So this is what we have discussed, what proper noun is and what common noun is. Now let's start another. It is countable and uncountable noun. Countable noun is a noun which can be counted in number, which can be separated. But uncountable is a noun which cannot be counted in number. You can guess what are the noun. Let's have example like a car. We can say there is one car, there is a car, there are two cars, we can say. We can count in a number, but book also we can count. One book, two books, three books, some books we can count. Tree, house, we can count them. So they are countable now. But what is uncountable noun? The noun which cannot be counted in number, like water. We cannot count water without the help of other word. Salt, oil, sand, blood, air. So these are uncountable noun. Let's have a more example. You can see book. We can count it. We can, we can have one book. We can count two books, three books. We can count in the number. So that's why book is countable noun. So book, This is countable noun. Next, you can see in the pictures different types of juices are there. So juice, we cannot count juice without help of other words. So juice is uncountable noun. Juice is an uncountable noun. Now let me brief countable and uncountable noun. The noun which can be counted in number, which can be separated, they are countable noun. Example: house, pen, pencil, book, copy. These are countable noun. And in other hand, uncountable noun. Uncountable is that noun which cannot be counted in a number, like water, juice, soup, salt, sand, mud. These are uncountable noun. Okay. So now next is concrete and abstract noun. So what concrete noun is, what abstract noun is, we are going to discuss. First of all, concrete. So you can see this marker. We can touch it. We can see it. This marker exists physically so that we can touch it. We can, see it. So marker is which noun? Later we will know. Concrete noun and abstract noun. Concrete noun is a noun which physically exists. So I had given you an example of marker. So this marker is a concrete noun because it exists physically. We can touch it, we can see it. And what abstract noun is? First of all, let's have example of concrete noun. Example: house, car, stone, rat. These are concrete noun because we can touch them, we can see them. But what is abstract noun? Abstract noun is a noun which does not exist physically. Once again, abstract noun is a noun which does not exist physically. What are they then? What are the nouns which does not exist physically? So like love, hate, happiness, freedom. These are the example of abstract noun because we cannot see love. Oh, love is going. We cannot say that. We cannot touch the love. Oh, I'm touching the love. We cannot say that. We can just feel. So abstract noun is that noun which can be felt in heart. Like love. We can feel love. But we cannot touch love. We cannot see love. We can just feel love. Another is happiness. Happiness can be felt. So that's why happiness is abstract noun. Hate, freedom, these are abstract noun. Once again, let me brief it. Abstract noun is that noun which cannot be touched, which cannot be seen, just it can be felt. Okay. And in another hand, concrete noun is that noun which can be touched, which can be seen. Okay. So let's have a more example here, and we will compare concrete noun and abstract noun. See this picture. This is a car. It exists physically because it has a shape. Car has a shape, size, weight, everything, and we can touch it. We can see it. This is a car. So car is which noun? The question is here: abstract noun or concrete noun? The obviously car is a concrete noun. Next, see this girl. This girl is so happy. Suppose she is dancing, she is walking, and dancing, we can see, and her face shows that she is so happy. So happiness is a noun, but which noun? Because happiness cannot be seen, happiness cannot be touched, just it can be felt. So happiness is an abstract noun. So these are the example of concrete and abstract noun. And here we will discuss, that what concrete and abstract nouns are. I had shown you example, so I hope you are clear about this noun. So let's start another. Compound and collective nouns. We will see what compound noun is and what collective noun is. Compound noun and collective noun. Let's see. Compound noun is a noun that is made up two or more words. Compound noun is that noun which is made up two or more than two words. Can you guess, think yourself, what are those nouns which are made up of two or more than two nouns? Can you say? Let's have example. Credit card, rainfall. Here you can see credit card, it has a two word. One is credit, another word is card. So this noun is made of two words, that is credit and next is card. So it becomes credit card. So credit card is compound noun. Next is rainfall. You can see down, rainfall. Rainfall. One is rain and is fall. And it has become rainfall. So rainfall is compound noun because it is made of two words. One is rain and there is fall. Rainfall. And the example we have here, moonlight. Moon and light. And it becomes moonlight. Here are the two words. One is moon and is light. And moonlight is a compound noun. Next is apple tree. Apple tree is there. Apple and the tree. Here are the two words. One is apple and next is a tree. And it becomes apple tree. And that's why as it is compound noun. You can have more example also, like rose flower. One is rose and there is flower. Rose, flower. So keeping together to this word, it becomes rose flower. And this rose flower is a compound noun. But what is collective noun? So let's see. You can see here very simple definition of a collective noun. Collective noun is a noun that collects more nouns. Okay, let's have example. What are the nouns which represent more nouns? So let's start. Example, team. So you can see here. Okay, here are at least like football team. Our football team has 11 players in the field. Okay, so you can see. So these 11 players, it's called team. This team word has collected these 11 players. So this is collective noun because this word has collected 11 players. And there is class. Look at. Next word is class. Class is there. This class word refers to many students. Suppose this is a classroom. Okay, here are many students. Here are students. These all students come in one word, that is class. This class word collects these all students. So that's why this class is collective noun. Next you can see flock. Flock of sheep. Flock of sheep. Crowd. Crowd of people. So crowd, flock, team, class, these nouns are collective nouns because they collect many numbers. So let's have an example. One is compound and another is collective nouns. So let's have example here. What can you say this picture? Can you see this picture? I think this is summer season. Everybody loves this picture. What is this? This is ice cream. Ice cream. See the word ice and cream. This is one word, a combination of the two words. That one is ice and next is a cream. So it has two words and it has made one word, so that it's called compound noun. Ice cream is a compound noun because it has two words. It is made of the two words. One is ice and next is cream. So ice cream is a compound noun. Oh, see this. You can see father, mother, and son and daughter. We can see that this is a family. This is a family. So, because here we can see parents. Papa is there, mama is there, son is here, and daughter is there. So this is what? This is a small family. This family word collects here four members. Collects here four members. They are father, mother, son, and daughter. This family words collects here four members. You can see in the picture also. That's why this family is a collective nouns, because this family, this word has collected, four members. So here we discussed what compound noun is and what collective noun is. So let me brief from beginning to end. So first we discuss. Here you can see this side. Here you can see proper noun. Proper noun is a name of, especially a specific name or individual name of a person, place, thing, and animal. Because animal also has a name. Some can call it, Tom, Junge. Also, I had given you example of the two dogs, one, and that is one of the proper noun and a common noun. While giving the example of proper and common noun, I had shown you the picture of the dogs with your name. So, and common noun also we discuss, and countable and uncountable. The noun which can be counted, is a countable noun. Like this is a marker. This marker can be counted like 1, 2. Okay, 1 and 2. It can be counted. But the ink which is inside this marker, it cannot be counted. We cannot say 2 ink, 3 ink, 4 ink. We cannot count it directly without help of other words. It needs the help of other word. So ink is uncountable noun. We cannot count it in a number. Next is concrete noun. Concrete noun is that noun which exists physically, which can be touched, seen, like this marker. This is concrete noun. An abstract noun is that noun which cannot be seen and touched, just it can be felt in our heart. like happy, I had hate, love, freedom. Okay, these are abstract noun. And the last seventh and eighth number, you can say down, compound and collective noun. Compound noun is that noun which is made of two or more than two words, and the collective noun is that noun which collects more number. Okay, so we had to practice this. Okay, what proper noun, what common noun. Even we had to practice. You can see that this slide. So let me once again brief it. Proper noun, you can see Akash and Susma. They are individual name of people. Akash and Susma. Akash is a student. You can see Akash is a student, and Susma is a student. Either. So that's why. What is common? What is different? There is a different is Akash and Susma. These are different names. But what is common? That common is a student. That's why a student is a common noun, and Akash and Susma, these are proper noun. And next is a countable and uncountable noun. I had given you example also. So the noun which can be counted in number. So you can see that this side, and another side you can see the nouns which cannot be counted, and these are uncountable noun. I'm repeating it so that you can understand very well. So example also I had given you book, juice. Okay, book is countable noun because we can count the book. 2 books, 3 books, many books, several books. Okay, and juice is uncountable noun because it cannot be counted. And also we had discussed about concrete and abstract noun. Concrete noun is that noun which exists physically, and abstract noun is that noun which does not exist physically. So I had given you example. So this is. So today we discuss what noun is, what types of nouns are. Okay, we discuss, even we compare all the nouns. Okay, so you can see this side. Here I have given a very short homework so that you can practice at home. Look around. Whatever you see inside your house, inside your room, outside of your house, try to name them. Suppose if you see a cow, then you can say cow is a which noun? That is, cow is a which noun? You can practice that. If that cow has a name like a Seti Gai, Kali Gai, then Seti Gai, Kali Gai is what? Proper noun. So you can compare like that. Even whatever you feel, that is noun. So look around, and whatever you see, name them. Try to have a practice. Okay. Suppose if you have lily flowers, try to name that lily flower. Lily flower is a which noun? So actually, lily flower, it has 2 words. One is a lily, and there is a flower. So obviously, this is a compound noun. So practice like that. So if you have a grammar book, open that grammar book and practice at home. So next time we will discuss how to make the plural noun and how to make countable noun to uncountable noun with the help of other words. So next time we will discuss. Today, thank you so much all of you. Have a nice time. Thank you.